Hi, this is Bobcat Math Movies, and we're talking about order of operations today. To solve a problem like 17 plus 15 divided by 3 minus 2 to the fourth, we have to use the order of operations. And we use the word PEMDAS to remind us what order the operations are. We start with parentheses, and then we follow with exponents. Our next operation is multiplication and division. And I put those side by side because you'll do either one first depending on which operation comes first as you are reading the equation left to right. So our next step is addition and subtraction. And again, I put those side by side because you'll do either one depending on your equation. So first, we'll look at parentheses, and we don't have any. So I'll put an X to note that we looked at it. Then we underline exponents. 2 to the fourth means 2 is the base, and the exponents tell us to repeat the 2 4 times. So I'll underline that. And we'll solve 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 4 is 16. And then I'll rewrite all the terms so that we can keep all of our digits straight. So we check off exponents. Next we have multiplication or division, but as we read from left to right we can see that we only have division. So we're going to divide 15 by 3. I'm going to get 5. Rewrite the terms. Check off division. We had no multiplication. Then we underline addition. 17 plus 5 is 22. Minus 16. And that equals 6. Let's solve this problem first by writing PEMDAS. I always write it next to the problems that I'm solving because it reminds me of my steps. So let's rewrite this in a way that looks familiar to us. I have P as in parentheses. Okay, so I have to underline that first. And I'm going to solve 6 divided by 3 gives me 2. Rewrite all my terms. Check off P. Okay, what should I do next? If you said exponents, you're correct. So let's go ahead and rewrite 7 squared as 7 times 7 times 2. And that equals 49 times 2. Check off my exponents. And my next step is multiplication division. 49 times 2 happens to be 98. For this next problem, go ahead and pause the video and solve the problem first on your own. Be sure you write PEMDAS on your paper. Underline each of the terms that you're solving and take it step by step. And then restart the video when you're ready. Okay, so the order of operations tells us you look at the parentheses first. So hopefully you underlined the parentheses. So 8 plus 56 is 64. That's my parentheses. And I rewrite all the terms. And then I look at exponents. And I have to say there's my exponent. That means 3 squared means I have to multiply 3 times 3. Okay, underline my exponents. That's 9 minus 4 divided by. Okay. And then we look at multiplication division. I have no multiplication, but I do have division. So I'm going to divide that. 64 divided by 4 is going to be 16. Check off that. Look at addition and subtraction. And it turns out that my answer should be 7. I hope that my answer matched your solution.